Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Ahmad Rodi Thoib, salah satu peserta PPK tahap 1 tahun 2026 LPTK Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. Saya dari SMP IT Nur Hikmah Bekasi. Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah, good afternoon everybody. Good afternoon. How are you today? Alhamdulillah. It's great and wonderful. Thank you. Allahu Akbar. Okay, first of all, let's begin the lesson by praying that will be led by the chief of the class. Please, Aisyah, let your friends to pray by reciting Surah Al-Fatihah.
Preparation for praying. Let's pray together. Begin.
Auzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Satu aja sih kayaknya.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka
Nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Okay. Thank you everybody. So first of all, I want to check your attendance. Udah. Okay, when I call your name, please answer with your beautiful smile, ya. Okay, Aisyah, Alia, Radinta, Syakila, Akila. Where is Akila? Sik. Rere. Okay. Aurora, Diva, Bilkis, Cherry, Zika, Dija, Faira, Hanina, okay. Hanum, Jasmine, Kamila, Kaina, Keisha, Raiza, Ruby, Shiva, Zafira. Okay. Okay, friends. Only one student who is absent today. So, how was your Lebaran? Great. Did you come home? Yes. Okay. Who were coming home? Okay. Okay. So, previously we have learned about recount text. Do you still remember recount text? Yes. What is the social function of recount text? Please raise hand. What is the social function of recount text? Yes? Okay.
Recalling text is a text to retell past experience you have already.
Okay, that's good. Okay, give applause. Okay, the second one. In a recount text, we have generic structure. How many generic structure do we have? Three. Okay. Please mention. Who want to mention? Okay, Kamila. Okay. Okay. orientation, events, reorientation. That's very great. Give applause. Okay. And then language features, yeah, language features. How many kinds of language features do we have? Four. Who want to answer? Who want to answer? Raise your hand. Yes, raise your hand first. Yes, Shiva. What are they? The language features. Okay. How many? Four. Okay. The first one is action verbs. The second one, adjectives, and then adverbial conjunction, and then the last, specific participant. Okay, that's very great. Give applause. Okay, again, in recontext, yeah, what is the social function of recontext? The first one is recontext is a text to retell a past experience. Yeah, okay, that's very great from you. The second one, what is the generic structure of a recontext? Yeah, there are three. A recount consists of three parts. The first one is orientation. The second one is events. The third one is reorientation. What is in orientation? Yeah. What is the function of orientation? Introduce the beginning of the story. Yeah. And it contains WH. Yeah, WH and 1H question. Yeah. And then the events. Yeah. When writing a recount, the events need to be told in order. The third one, reorientation. It tells us the writer's feeling, yeah, or impression after the events. And okay, that's good. And then, what are the language features used in a recontext? Yeah, you mentioned four. Yeah, the first one, a recontext is written using the first one is past tense. Yeah, can be past simple or past continuous. Yeah, you have learned about that. Yeah, the first one, for example, last Sunday I went to Ragunan Zoo with my parents. Which one is showing the past simple? When using verb to. That's good. The second one, my father was driving the car while he saw an accident. Which one is simple past and which one is past continuous? My father was driving a car. Is it simple past or past continuous? Past continuous. And followed by while. And then followed by past simple. Okay, the second one, yeah, specific participant. Like my friends and I, Dika and Dini, and my family and I. You can also use the specific name of a person. Okay. And then action verbs. Yeah, action verb like went, saw, put, took, walk, watch. Okay. All the action verb use verb to. Okay. What is the verb one of went? Go. How about saw? See. Put. Took. Take. Walked. Walk. Watch it. Okay, that's good. And then using adjectives, yeah, adjective like big, yeah, big, small, cool, hot, fun, exciting, boring, and etc. It describes the nuance or the situation, yeah, or the thing that you was bringing while you doing the activity, okay. And then using adverbial conjunction. Like first, next, after that, in the end, yeah. You can also first, next, or secondly, yeah. It to connect the sentence, yeah. The first sentence, the second sentence, to connect the first until the end of the story, yeah. So you don't only use after that, Yeah, after that, and like that. Yeah, we combine with another adverbial conjunction. Do you understand? Yes. Do you have any question? No. Okay. Before we continue to our activity today, please stand up. Yeah, please stand up. We will use technique, stop technique, yeah, to make you relieve the pain and to make you relax, yeah, to make you relax. Please take a deep breath, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, 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 exhale. Yeah. Okay. So have a seat, please. Okay. Do you feel better? Yeah. Okay. So just focus on our lesson today, yeah. Today, we are going to learn about, yeah, analyzing the recount text, yeah, analyzing the recount text. In this time, yeah, at this time, you will be able to analyze the social function, the generic structure, and language features of a recount text. Okay. So before we continue to do the task, I will begin with the video, yeah. To recall your memory about what is recount text. Please watch it carefully, and after that, I will give you the question. Yeah, when you watch the video carefully, you will be able to answer the question. Okay?
Billy woke up at 4:30 on Monday morning. He didn't want to be late for his first day at work. So he got dressed quickly, ate breakfast, and left his house with his bicycle and Rocky. It was still dark outside, and the moon was shining brightly. Billy cycled as fast as he could, and Rocky followed him to the shop. Outside, Billy saw 2 large piles of newspapers waiting for him in 2 bright orange bags. And when he looked inside, he could see some instructions at the map. The first delivery was to the large white house on the corner, and he delivered 5 newspapers to them. They must like reading the news. Billy thought to himself as he posted them through the letterbox. He then looked at the map again and followed the clear instructions, and went from house to house and put the folded papers through people's front doors. Everyone in the neighborhood was still asleep, and the only person Billy saw was the milkman, who was delivering milk, eggs, and bread that people would have for breakfast in a few hours. Everything was going well. Then suddenly, Rocky saw a fox and started barking loudly. Rocky, shh, I will lose my job. Please be quiet. Rocky stopped barking for a short time, and then he continued, but much more quietly. It took about an hour and a half for Billy to deliver all the papers, and he left the was tired, and he went back to bed. At first, he couldn't sleep, and he was thinking that he would have to wake up every day at 4:30 and do it all again. For a second, he thought about quitting the job, but then he changed his mind and said to himself, think of the money, think of the money, before falling asleep. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to visit our website, www.elearningenglish.com, and see you in the next video.
Okay. After watching that video, please answer this question. Okay. I will use the attendance list. The first one, Aisha. What is the story about? First day? Yeah. It is about Billy. Yeah, Billy first day at work. That's good. Okay, the second one, Alia. What time did Billy wake up? Okay, that's good. Okay. Number 3, Radinda. Why did Billy wake up early? Okay, that's good. Yeah. Because he has to go to work. Yeah. Number 4, please, Aquila. How did Billy go to work? Yes? Yeah, by bicycle. Is it true, friends? Yes, okay. 6, Aquila. Where's Aquila? 6, okay. Continue. Rere. Where is Rere? Okay. Number 5, Rere. With whom did Billy go to work? With his dog. What is its name? What is its name? Huh? That's good. Okay. Is it true, friends? Yes. Okay. Next. Aurora. Where is Aurora? Okay, that's good. Aurora. What was Billy's job? Mailman. Okay. Is it true, friends? Mailman. Delivering papers. Yeah, newspapers. Okay, that's good. Okay. Number 7, Diva. Diva, where is Diva? Okay. Who did Billy see while he was on his way? Milkman. Okay. That's good. Is it true, friends? Yeah, okay. Next, Bilqis. Bilqis, where is Bilqis? Okay. What did Rocky do while he was accompanying Billy? What did Rocky do? Actually, it was while Billy was delivering the newspapers. Yeah, at Fox. Yeah, he was parking. Yeah, at the Fox. That's good. Is it true, friends? Yeah. Okay. Number 9, Cherry. What did Billy think of his job? Cherry, where is Cherry? Okay. What did Billy think of his job before sleeping? Can you answer it? No? Okay. Please, Dija, help Cherry to answer. What did Billy think of his job? Do you remember the video? Yeah. What did he want to do? Continue? Continue his job. Okay. Is it true, friends? True? Or any other answer? He was tired. And then? Yeah. But he? Okay, that's good. Okay. So, what did Billy think of his job? Yeah, the first one, he wanted to quit, yeah, from his job because he was tired, yeah, for waking up starting from 4:30 until 6:45, yeah. Do you still remember?
Yeah.
Okay. So, the last one, Zika. Did Billy quit from his job finally? No. Yeah, no. Why? Because he needs to earn the money. Okay. That's good. Yeah. Give applause for you all. Yeah. Okay, friends. Today we are going to continue to our activity today. So I will divide you into 4 groups. Yeah, this is group 1, this is group 2, this is group 3, and this is group 4. Yeah, and you need to discuss this. Yeah, discuss the tasks together, and then after that you will present. Yeah, will present one by one. Yeah, starting from group 1, 2, 3, and 4. And for the group, for the one who have finished firstly, you can come forward first. Okay, so based on the group that have finished at the first. Okay, so let's continue from each group. Please discuss which one is the chief of the group. Yeah, who will be the chief of the group? Okay, decide. Okay. Okay, from group 1, please come forward. Yeah, please come forward. No, I mean the chief of the group. Please take this paper. For chief of each group, please come forward to select one of the paper. Which one? Yeah. Yeah, please take. Yeah. Okay. Okay, you have different stories, yeah. You have different stories, and you can analyze it with your friends. And I will give you time 15 minutes, yeah, 15 minutes to do the task. And then you need to present it in front of the class after that. Okay, first of all, in activity 1, you need to arrange, yeah. You need to arrange the story by giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, or 1, 2, 3, 4 for the group that had got the four column. For the group who had 5 column, you need to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. For activity 2, you need to analyze the generic structure, yeah, the generic structure based on your own text. And then activity 3, you have to analyze the language features used in the text. Okay? And please write the name who will be responsible to do that one. For example, the activity 1, who will responsible, who will do that. And then part 2, who will do that, yeah. For example, like this, yeah. This is your turn. This is your friend's turn. So write your name on the right side. Okay. Okay, I will give you time 15 minutes starting from now, yeah. And it will finish at 1:45. Okay. If you have any question, please ask me. Okay, have you understood the instruction? Yes. Okay. For activity 3, you can look at on your book, yeah, or you can see here, yeah. What is past tense? What is specific participant? What is action verbs? What is adjectives? And what is adverbial conjunction? Because your stories are different, so you cannot cheat each other, yeah. Only on your group, okay?
Ayan, cewek apa cowok? Ayan.
Ayan, boy, yeah.
Ayan and his classmate. Ayan ya.
Yes, that's good. Yeah. Classmate or classmates? Only one or all the classmate? Yeah, classmates. That's good. If you have any question, please raise your hand and I will come to your group. Okay? Okay, you still have 7 minutes, yeah? Please do it carefully, yeah? You still have 7 minutes. Yes, please. Mm. Okay, if it it is not mentioned, you can say it's not mentioned. Okay. If the information is not provided in the text, you can say it is not mentioned in the text. Number three, where is the subject? Only made. Who is the subject? What is the subject? Number three. Yeah, just add it. Yeah, that's good.
Ini nulis katanya aja tetap write five actions first using the story. Yang kayak when song, ya, when, terus verb kan yang pakai verb tuh. Iya, iya, itu kan yang kita sebutin. Yang when, song, gitu-gitu.
Okay, friends, do you still need time, additional time? Yes. I will give you 10 minutes additional, ya.
Ada Deja.
Yes, please.
Yang ini tulis action verbsnya pakai kalimatnya apa?
Only the verbs, action verbs. Only the verbs.
When.
Okay. Finish?
Grade itu adjective.
Yes. Yeah.
Brilliant.
Yes.
Oh iya.
Finish? Not yet. Yes, you can check it again. Finish. Finish.
We want to check
Which one?
first.
Okay.
Yesterday I went to the zoo by car.
Part 2, ya. Events. You need to add the subject. Who are the subject? This one. When. Where's the subject? Subject. Yeah. You just add it here. Just add it here.
Tambahin aja.
Tambahin aja. Nggak perlu dihapus semua. You don't need to Yeah, read starting from the first. The title, the first one, until the end.
Ininya berarti kayak baca soal dulu baru jawab.
Iya.
Ini berarti kalau misalnya pas baca ini baca ini aja ya. Langsung kayak satu.
Iya, number one. Yeah, first. Have you finished? Not yet. Okay, 4 minutes left. Yeah, 4 minutes left. Yeah, participant.
Jawabannya kayak
Yes.
sama jawabannya.
Yeah.
Tapi list guide-nya sudah list guide-nya
Hah?
ada interview. Terus ada
Yeah. Mention all the participant.
oh. Berarti yang di sini juga dong. Berarti ini salah.
Yeah, all
Oh.
all the participant.
Ah, udah.
Sekarang. Masih lama dong. Masih 25. Finish? Group 1 finish? Group 1? Group 1 finish? Finish? Not yet. Why? Preparing. Okay. Actually, the task is you have finished the task. Yes. Okay. Group 2 finish? Not yet. Group 3 finish. Group 4 not yet. Okay. You still have 3 minutes. Yeah. 3 minutes to finish. And then after this, you will present. Yeah. Okay, almost finish. Finish. Hmm? Noises, which one? Noises. No. Noise is a noun. Do you want me to appoint you or we use pinwheel? Okay. We just wait for the group 2. Yeah, group 2 to finish.
So the second activity or improvement. First one, when did the story happen? Let's say who were the participants in the story? Partner and Harriet.
Gimana? Nggak ada. Ntar diarahin. Nanti diarahin aja. Finish grup tuh? Finish? Oke. Oke, time's up ya. For all of you, have you finished? Yes. Are you ready to present? Yes. Okay, let's use the spin wheel ya. Who will be the first to present? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, group 1. Okay. Group 1 will be the first. Okay, the second one. The second one, group 3. Okay. The third one, group 4. Okay. The last one, group. Okay, group 2. So the turn is group 1, 1, 3, 4, 2. Okay, for the presentation, please introduce your group from group what group and then introduce your name ya. Okay? Okay, please welcome group 1.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 1 and we want to introduce our member. My name is Hanina. My name is Sayura. My name is Yasmin. My name is Ita. My name is Tija. First, I want to tell you about my holiday in Ireland. First, last Tuesday, I got up early and went to the airport. A few hours later, I was on my way to Dublin. Dublin is in Ireland, so that's why we had to go on an aeroplane. Then we were in Ireland. We went to another place called Sligo. After we arrived, we directly went on the beach. I met a massive sandcastle and buried my dad in the sand while he was asleep. When he woke up, he wasn't very happy. Then, on the first night, we went out for our tea. Then I had pizza and chips for dinner. Fourth, we stayed in Ireland for 5 days, and it rained every day, but we still had lots of fun. I hope that we can go there again another time. So the next one is there's orientation of the story. The first one is when did the story happen? Yes, testing who were the participants in the story, the worker and her day. What story did the worker want to share with us? Day 1, share her holiday in Ireland. Where did the worker go? Dublin, Ireland. Why did the worker go to that place? For holiday, how did the worker go to that place? Identify four activities that guide the writer in the whole story. First, he got up early and went to the airport. Second, they went out for their tea. Third, I made a castle. Fourth, they stayed in Ireland for 5 years. Then, what is the writer's feeling and impression having from the story? They had lots of fun and didn't fight with them there and never time. Right present that shows that who is the participant in the story? Write five action words used in the story. Make, got, and stay. Write the adjectives you found in the story. And happy. Write the adverbial conjunctions used in the story. First and after. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Give applause for group 1. Yeah. Okay. The second one, group 3. Yeah, give applause for group 3.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from group 3.
Yeah.
First, we want to introduce our name. My name is Shiva. My name is Radita. My name is Kaina. My name is Aurora. My name is Tisha. So, I want to tell you about a trip to the zoo. The first is yesterday. I went to the zoo by car. I went with my mom and dad. Second, when we got there, we went to the shop to buy some food for the animals. After getting the food, we went to the giraffe house. Then I gave the giraffe some gifts. Third, before lunch, we went for a ride on an elephant. It was brilliant. Fourth, after lunch, we fed some birds in the park. The fifth, at the end of the day, we went home. I was really tired, but it had been a great day. And right now, I will tell you about the orientation of the story. First, when did the story happen? It happens in yesterday. Second, who were the participants in the story? The participants in the story is mom and dad. Third, what story did the writer want to share with us? The story he wants to share with us is a trip to the zoo. And where did the writer go? He went to the zoo. Why did the writer go to that place? He wanted to saw an animal in person. How did the writer go to that place? He went to that place by a car. And I will tell you the events of the story. First, he went to the shop to buy some food. And then he went to the giraffe house. Third, he fed the giraffe. Fourth, he fed the birds after lunch. And the next one is the orientation. What is the writer's feeling and impression? He was really tired, but it had been a great day. Write a sentence that shows us time. First, we went to the shop to buy some food for the animals. Then, we fed some birds in the farm. The next language feature of the recount text is using specific participant. So the specific participant in the story is the writer, his mom, and his dad. The next one is using action verbs. Five action verbs used in the story is said, went, had, got, and was. The adjectives one in the story: carrot, bread, and filling. The adverb deals conjunction used in the story: egg, at the end, after lunch, before, and again. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Give applause for group 3. Yeah. And then the next one, group 4. Give applause for group 4.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Afternoon all.
Good afternoon.
Group 4. My name is Fira. My name is Alia. My name is Nadro. My name is Lisa. My name is Yasmin. So first, I want to read this text. The title is A Visit to the Science Museum. Last Friday, Ayan's class went on a trip to the Science Museum. The building was big and bright. Inside, there were many exciting displays to explore. The children saw models of dinosaurs, robots, and the human body. Gwen explained how machines work and showed them a moving robot. Ayan learned that robots can help people in hospitals and factories. He was curious and asked many questions. Next, the class watched a short video about space and planets. The dark room made it feel like they were floating among the stars. Aya's favorite part was touching a real rock from the moon in the space section. Before leaving, the students visited the gift shop. Ayan bought a small science book to read at home. It was a fun and educational day that helped him learn new things. The next one is activity 2, the orientation of the story. When did the story happen? The story happened last Friday. Who were the participants in the story? The participants were Ayan and his classmates. What the story did the writer want to share with us? A trip to the Science Museum. Where did the writer go? The Science Museum. Why did the writer go to that place? He had to do the study. How did the writer go to that place? It's not mentioned in the story. But in episode 2. But one that is done by the writer. Firstly, we watch a short video about space and planets. Ayan's class went on a trip. Ayan learned about the robots. I will tell you about the early online system. What is the writer's feeling and impression at the end of the story? It was fun, educational, and helped him learn new things. Next, the education story. Big, bright, and fun. Adverbial conjunction was Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Give applause for group 4. Yeah. And please welcome the last performance from group 2. Give applause for group 2. Okay, please group 2.
Hello everyone. First of all, let us introduce ourselves first. Hello, my name is Sarah. My name is Cindy. This is Ruby. And we are from Group 2. So, today we are going to tell you about a story. The title is Going to the Museum. First, last Friday we went to the museum. There were 4 people in my group. We drove to the train station and caught the 8 o'clock train. When we got off the train, it was pouring with rain. First, we met our museum guide. He took us into the dinosaur exhibition. They were only pretend dinosaurs and the walls were fake, but they looked awesome and made loud, scary, roaring noises. After that, we went into a room to have our lunch. We watched a video about mommy. Mr. Aziz gave us a sheet to do. When we finished, we went to see real mummies. Next, Mr. Smith took us to where the lyrics were. First, my group played hidden song. It was easy. All you had to do was follow the to get out the feeling like I found the first one. When we returned to school, it was time to go to home. I loved going to the museum. It was the best session I have ever had. Now, we will analyze the generic structure after the context. By answer. When did the story happen? The story happened last Friday. Who were the participants in the story? Me and 3 other people, Mr. Smith and Mr. Hansen. What story did the writer want to share with us in the museum? Where did the writer go? Museum. Why did the writer go to the place? House. It was his school program. And the last question is, how did the writer go to that place? The writer go to that place by the train. Next is the correct today's plan with the writer's example story. First one is dinosaur exhibition. The second one is Vietnam. The third one is a video about it, and the last one is analyze. The next one is the writer's feeling and impression at the end of the story. The writer loved going to the museum with my business. Question please ever get fun. Part 5 are first, one, second, third, fourth, last, and part the adjective you found in story. The second one is serious, love, health, and story. Part the adverbial last.
Okay, before we close the class, I will we will reflect, yeah. We will reflect our material today. The first one, what do you learn today? The context, yeah. From group 1, yeah. Do you get any difficulties while doing the project, while doing the task? No? Is it easy? Yes. Okay. From group 2, do you get any difficulties? No. Okay. From group 3, do you get any difficulties? No. Group 4? No. Okay. From this discussion, actually we don't only learn about the material, but we also learn to be cooperative, yeah, to be cooperative, to divide the division, yeah, to divide your tasks, your turn among your group. Okay, so we are not only learn about the material, but also we learn to be cooperative. Okay, for the next meeting, please open your book on page 106 and also 107. Please do it first, and we will discuss it on the next meeting. Okay? Understand? Okay, thank you so much for your attention today, and we hope we can get something new from this lesson, yeah. And finally, from me, sorry for any mistake that I have made, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for today. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for today. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much for today.
Okay.